Today I'll show you how to create seamless textures in GIMP in under 2 minutes. First, load your image into GIMP. This can be any texture or photo. Go to Filters, Map, then Tile Seamless. Make sure the Merge Filter checkbox is enabled, then click OK. Your texture is now mostly seamless. To test it, go to Map Tile. Set a large size, like 4K, to clearly see if any seams remain. It looks good, but not always. Another method is using offset. Go to Layer, Transform, Offset. Click Half Divide button, enable Merge Filter, and apply. This moves seams to the center for easy fixing. Select the Clone tool and choose a brush with 50% hardness. If the tool option is not visible, go to Windows, and enable it. Hold Ctrl or Command on Mac, and click to sample a clean area. Paint over the seam to blend it naturally into the texture. Repeat this process to fix the whole edge line. Test it again using Map Tile with a large size, like 4K. And that's it, your seamless texture is ready to use. Thank you for watching and see you next time.